Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone is running One UI. This method relies on Android app notification channels. Once ready, open Settings and tap Apps, then find and select the specific app whose notification sound you want to change. Make sure notifications are enabled for that app. If notifications are off, there's nothing to change. Next, tap Notifications inside the app settings. This reveals the app's notification categories. This step accesses per category control, which is required to set a custom sound. You now tap the relevant notification category, for example messages or alerts, then open its details. Once inside, look for sound and tap it. This opens the sound picker. You can choose a system tone or select Add Notification Sound to use an MP3 or OGG from internal storage. Make sure the file is in Notifications or Accessible Media folders. Once selected, press Save or back to apply. This sets the sound for only that category rather than globally, giving precise finish by triggering a test notification or ask someone to send one so you can confirm the new sound plays. If the sound didn't change, make sure you edited the correct notification category. Many apps use multiple channels. Also verify the audio file format is supported and stored in an accessible folder. If issues continue, restart the phone and, if needed, clear the app cache or reinstall the app. That often resets misbehaving channels and lets the new sound take effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.